if we catch you stepping fast, well, again, culture.
You don't want it anymore.
I don't want this anymore.
Let's see it.
Trampoline.
I'm gonna have a shower.
Time for talking time. Time for the best trick I could do. No!
Yay!
Yay! And see it.
Tricks were good. But Ken, who's a better? Let's see it.
Ryan, you just got a message on. Who's this guy? Ryan, serious. Right. I'm zooming in. Yeet.
That was good.
Yeah, it was.
Time for it to end.
Yep.